Hey, how you doing, Sister Darlene? Is it okay that I call you sister? I've heard that that's not proper. I call anybody who loves Jesus brother and sister.
Not proper. Why would it not be?
Well, if you love Jesus, you're my sister.
Yeah.
So,
I don't.
Sister or Teresa had said this. I don't know the denomination of Jesus.
Neither do I. Teresa's just worried about being respectful from her own background. You know? So, sister is lovely.
All right.
I'm still technically on vacation, but I just
Okay, well, I hope you have a lovely vacation and Sabbath peace to you.
Are you coming on Tuesdays?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
I like your little Bible study. It's nice. Whatever. I'll tell you next time. I'll remember next time.
Okay. Cool.
Have a good day. Have a good vacation. Yeah, say hi to Hank. Tank.
Oh, Hank, he's coming with.
Yay.
We're having a Christmas evening.
The Dandelions. I was in a reggae band once called the Dandelions. Wanted to show you these flowers here. These aren't wildflowers, but hopefully we'll get some rain so we can get some wildflowers. Oh my goodness, last year's wildflowers were awesome. A few years ago they were spectacular. Anyway, Sabbath peace to all the beloved of Christ. The seventh day, in accordance with the will of God, the Ten Commandments. Jesus is the Sabbath of the Lord. Hallelujah. We observe the Sabbath because we observe Jesus the Christ, the Son of God, Yahusha HaMashiach ben Yahuwah. Blessed be the name forever.